And the quote is, every successful person have a painful story, but every painful story has a successful ending. So accept the pain and get ready for success. Thank you.
थैंक यू काशिफ रहमान। कोई जब्त दे न जलाल दे, मुझे सिर्फ इतना कमाल दे। कोई जब्त दे न जलाल दे, मुझे सिर्फ इतना कमाल दे। मुझे अपने राह पे डाल दे कि ज़माना मेरी मिसाल दे। Now for speech, I invite Mr. Abbas of class 10th A. Please clap for him.
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to speak about something that is simple to understand but sometimes difficult to practice: humanity. Humanity is the quality that makes us truly human. It is not about where we come from, what language we speak or what religions we follow. It is about how we treat one another. Humanity is kindness, compassion, empathy, and respect. Humanity is not shown only in big heroic action. It can be found in the smallest gestures: a small helping hand, listening to someone who is hurting, or standing up for someone who is alone. Sometimes one small act can change someone their entire life. Let us remember that the world does not need only intelligent minds. It needs warm hearts. Our achievement matters, but our character matters even more. But being human is what gives the real meaning of our life. So today I would like to leave you with this simple message: be the reason of someone believes in the goodness of people. Humanity starts with one of each of us, and together we can create a world where everyone feels valued and respected. Thank you.